do a quick tutorial on how to replace the struts, the Jaguar X-Type hood struts. Pop the hood out here, and I already got one side installed, but if you're having issues with this, see that? One side installed, so it's doing pretty good, but if this is coming down on you like that, I want to get a piece of wood or something and just prop it up like maybe here and here, somewhere to hold this in place while you do this. Otherwise, putting your head under here, you might have this falling down on you. These are real simple to put in. These are the original Jaguar, and here we have the new ones. They match up perfect. So I'm just going to use this cat claw, and there's little ball ends here and here, and these just pop right in place. So take this cat claw, wedge that down. Again, it'd be good to have a piece of wood supporting, just in case you don't want that falling down. And then this one, real easily, you go towards the center of the motor, and it just pops right out. Again, these are the original Jaguar ones, so need to be replaced. And we just do the opposite on this top part. Lean it in, get one of those, and then this bottom part kind of wants to be a little tricky, so you're going to want to move the hood up. You see that? To line that up as you do this. See if I can do this with one hand. Alright, so I push the hood up, line that up, do that. Now, this thing here. Ooh, look at that. Exactly how it should be going when you lift that up. Yep. Alright. Perfect. Hope you found this video helpful.